for my scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I use one of her cut files, which I am getting the Love You cut file out because, you know, there's my husband and that's the photo. It's one of the photos that I'm still cracking away on my trip, and I am going to be using the December scrap room kit, and this one is the Cartabell Letters to Santa. So while I'm not using it exactly letters to Santa, it just fits everything. It's got the trees, you know, florals. I did that background. This is going to be the red that came with it, and we're going to do some green. I'm going to take my green behind, and I'm going to get this all darkened up and get this looking, and this pretty much I'm going to leave it this way because I just wanted to use the cut file that way. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so I went and got out the Distress Oxide. It's the green one that goes with this collection, or like goes with this collection or whatever, like the color combination works. And it's called Rustic Wilderness. It's the Christmas green that came out a couple years ago, I think, if I remember correctly now. And so you'll see me go through this, and I'm just working through where it needs to go because I'm going to blend it, and then I'm going to come in with my shimmers and do up a lot of coloring, like spritzing on there. I actually spray on there this time around. And I just love how that turned out because it popped this red out. And then towards the end, like mid to the end of the process video, you'll see me after I get all of my embellishments down that I go in and I highlight with a black marker, you know, one of my black pens. So here I am, I sprayed it, and then I am I'm like splattering it around so you can see it. But because of the plaid, like on screen, you kind of can't see the splattering. But when you look at it up close, you do. And this is where I come in with that gold. I wanted it to kind of stand out a little bit, just so that when I put this down, it kind of pops a little bit more. I did pop the cut file up on some foam tape, so that that sticks out and got a little bit of a shadow behind it. And then now I'm just going to go in and embellishments. The rest of this is all about embellishing how I'm going to use this. Make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. Everything will be linked down below. I use this one in a Christmas layout. I remember when this came out, it was part of one of Virginia's Valentine's or February release, and it worked well with my Christmas collection. And I'm going to be honest, I'm getting it. This is going up January 15th. I am to the point of I'm tired of looking at Christmas. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to finish out How to Kill a Kit with Style, because that's all my Christmas stuff. I might just leave everything for Christmas in July like I've done in the past and just finish this up. This will be the first year in many years that I didn't finish, but that's because I had this trip where otherwise I would have been completely done by now. So I'm not sure yet. We'll see how this goes. I am going on a scrappy retreat this coming weekend, so I'm super, super excited for that. I am going to be filming and all of that kind of stuff there. So that's why I'm like, I don't know. I have it in my stuff to go, but not sure if I'm going to be rolling with it yet. I may just not even use it at this point. I don't know. So then I decided here, I'm going to take these 3 little tags. I didn't want to not use them. So I decided that since I only got just a little bit of a strip of these enamel dots, I was like, oh, this will be perfect to just kind of tuck them there with that L and just add a little bit of embellishment there. And then I'm going to add the word Santa just because, you know, I want to. And I just add that cluster up there, and then you'll see me kind of tuck a few things, and I'll come in and I'll go back up there one more time. Oh, no, I think this is it. I think that's all I do up there, just to add a little bit of a cluster there. And then now I'm just going to embellish all the way through and get stuff put along this Love You so that it still looks Christmassy and just to have fun and all of that. So make sure that you check out the group. While Virginia didn't release a new or a free cut file this month, she always has something up her sleeve every month. So make sure that you are connected with her on there, because that is where she does release her free cut files and any sales that she may have, or any of that fun stuff. Also, my Scrappy virtual thing is in 2 weeks. I'm super excited. So if you have not joined my group, make sure that you go check that out down below. That'll be all there. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I know some of you just watch my layout and then not subscribe. So it is free. Please subscribe. I am trying to get to 4,000 subscribers this year, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Now I'm just going through and embellishing and just trying to get this all wintry, holiday looking, and I just love how this turns out. I think that the Scrap Room collection of how they put this together, while this was more of the Santa theme and putting it with a Santa, I think that this one turned out just as good without having Santa in the photo. So I'm going to add this polar bear. I am into this distressed look. I think a lot of my layouts have been coming to be where I'm distressing a lot more than just the edge of the paper. It's starting to be, I'm not saying that my layouts are coming grungy, because that's not, I guess, a style of mine right now. But I do like how how it's been turning out with a little bit of the distress more than just that one paper. So yeah, and then that's about it. All of a sudden you will see me realize that I'm like, ooh, I want to go ahead and outline. So I start the outline and then I turn the camera off, because I was like, it's daunting to watch somebody do that. So I will be doing that. And then I already did my distress along the edges, and then I did do my black along the edges. You can't really see it on the camera, but it is there. And yeah, so I just feel like this is so super cute. The still shots are coming up. Make sure you go check out Confessions. I just love her. Everything about her cut files are amazing. I dug deep into this one. I mean, I have so many of her cut files, and I just love everything about hers, and it's just wonderful. So here I am. I do come back. I wave you off, and then that is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and